Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu Vardhan and my roll number is 21CE10031. Today, as a part of my DIY assignment, I am going to disassemble an optical mouse and reassemble it. Now I disassemble the mouse. First of all, I remove the screw. And I open it. We can see the top part of the mouse. This is the mouse wheel. These are the buttons. The mouse wheel is used to scroll through the pages up and down. And these buttons help us to click on the options present on the PC or laptop. Here we can see a circuit present in the mouse. I remove it. Now we discuss about its components. We have 5 resistors, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are used to store data in temporary nature with the help of the microprocessor here. And we have 4 capacitors, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are used to store electronic info in electric field. Then we have 3 SWs, which means standalone wall box switches, which help us to click through the buttons on the mouse. And here we have a jumper, LED and a spot laser stacking system. The LED and the sensor help us to detect the motion of the mouse in XY plane parallel to move the cursor on the computer screen. Here we notice a LED that glows at the bottom of the mouse. And we have a microprocessor, basically the brain of mouse that processes input electrical signals. I am going to reassemble the mouse. I put it here. Yeah, it's fixed now. Then I put the top of the mouse. It is taking a while. I fixed it up. Now I put the screw and tighten it. And finally, I check the working of my mouse. I plug it to my laptop. We can see the LED is glowing. I check my mouse whether it is working perfectly or not. Yeah, it's working fine. We can see the movement of the cursor and we can click the options. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.